Take a look at this roadster here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1984 Mercedes 380 SL Roadster. Both top, soft top and hard top. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. About 62,729. Original Texas car. 3-owner vehicle. Never driven in the winters. And it definitely shows. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior engine bay, tops up, top down, hard top on. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint shows well on this one. Actually, paint code 172. Anthracite gray metallic. The folks that brought this in to us to consign it and sell it for them have had it for the past 19 years. As you can see, we have the gray leather bucket seats, center console with the shifter on the floor, power steering, power brakes, AC. Had the AC a bit ago, and yes, definitely was blowing cool, if not cold, I would say. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You may find a few imperfections here or there in the paint, but overall, definitely, like I said earlier, shows well. You got to consider the age, miles, and considering that, yes, the car is in nice condition. Riding on newer Uniroyals. There were Tiger Paw radials. And once again, you can check those out in the still pictures. See the tread level left. Underside of this vehicle, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So you look up and down the driver's side. So not really much of any nicks, dings, or scratches as far as up and down the sides. Little cargo area in the rear. Seats still retain the original material. And yes, you're going to see a little wear on there. But as far as rips, tears, holes, minimal. One little spot right there, and I don't know if I'd really call it much of a hole. Pretty small. Now in the glove box, there's the original owner's manual. There is some information as far as the code on the radio. It would have the Vault Punk stereo. It does have the code, needs to be put in. That information's in the glove box, as well as the original, I guess, warranty card, protective plate in the day of Chevrolets, I guess you'd call it. But that kind of warranty plate that would be put in the machine at the dealers, that's even in the glove box. That still has the original Texas information on it, where it was sold new. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice running car, smooth running car. There you can see the miles, 62,729. Let me close the door so we can hear that buzz. Here's the gauges, all working over here. Blower fan and everything with that AC, and like I said, it did cool down for me in here. Wipers did work also. Alright, we'll pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. Slip around to the back seat, hear it run. Of course, 3.8 liter V8 paired up with that automatic transmission. Good sounding car, smooth running. SL is a reliable car. Check out any reviews on it. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, and we'll check out the engine bay. All right, take a look underneath this hood. Nice and clean that is. Doesn't appear that this thing's really been driven in much for inclement weather. Like I said, it started out as a Texas vehicle before coming north, and has not been driven winters. Not the kind of car you drive around in the snow up here, no doubt about that. Fun summer cars. Take the top off or put the top down, whichever the case may be, and enjoy. So there's that 3.8 liter V8. Again, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, smooth running. AC has been converted, it appears too. You can see right there from R12 to 134. All right, I'm gonna button the hood back up. Put this cloth top up, and I'll finish off this video so you can see the different tops in the car. And here's the soft top up. Like I said, pretty much like new. Was replaced in 05. Hardly used since. So it's quite tight, let's put it that way. No rips, tears, holes. Should sit out in the sun a little bit. Once it sits out in the sun a little bit, it's gonna stretch, but it is locked in place. Plastic's good in it. And yeah, once it warmed up, obviously it's gonna start to stretch out a little bit, but it's gonna serve its purpose. If you need to put it up, keep you out of the sun, maybe a quick shower, work just fine. It's a black cloth in nice condition, replaced since new. All right, and now one last one to go. We're gonna put that hard top on, let you take a look at that on the car, and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And the hard top. Paint shows well, bright work and everything. And boom, all of a sudden it looks like a coupe. Rear window, nice and clear. And again, you can see the bright work around it, paint. And you'll be able to see this all in the still pictures too. There'll be pictures of it with the top on. But I want to give you a quick peek at it here at the end of the video. And around the front. There you go. 1984 Mercedes 380 SL here at Unique, especially in classics. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The phone number is 507-386-1726.